Don't download Pipedrive CRM Ultimate app before watching this. Before you download Pipedrive CRM Ultimate, here's the key insight: it's more than a pipeline tool. At the enterprise level, Pipedrive offers sales automation, insights, and advanced reporting, but most teams get this wrong by skipping setup strategy. Step 1. Define your pipelines. Pipedrive allows multiple sales pipelines with custom stages. Most people get this wrong by keeping generic pipelines, which leads to unclear progress tracking. Step 2. Automate tasks. Pipedrive automates follow-ups, reminders, and lead assignments. The surprising truth is, poorly planned automation can confuse reps and harm relationships. Step 3. Integrate with marketing and communication tools. Connecting email, CRM, and analytics ensures leads are tracked from first touch to conversion. Without integration, data remains scattered. Step 4. Analyze performance. Use dashboards and recommendations to optimize pipelines, identify bottlenecks, and forecast revenue. Teams that act on insights close deals faster and more efficiently. The upside: proper Pipedrive enterprise implementation can boost sales productivity by up to 25%, improve pipeline visibility, and increase forecasting accuracy. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can plan pipelines, implement automations carefully, and integrate tools effectively. For smaller teams, simpler plans may suffice. Subscribe for tips to avoid common enterprise CRM pitfalls.